Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you my record time setting up the Zhiyun Crane M2. So here we go. So first of all, I am putting on the tripod feet so we can have it standing so we can easily balance it. Now I'm going to add the plate under the camera. So this is quite, there is no like easy way to do this. So but at least it's a big knob. So now we slide it into the gimbal, make sure we lock it down, and we unlock the back arm first. So now we're balancing the back arm first, so the roll motor first. Now we're going to do the up and down, which I find is the best way to do it, to do up down first before we do the front and back. So now we have the front and back. We're already very close, so we need to move it a little bit, and there we have it. And now the yaw or the pan motor. So this we just need to make sure it's horizontal, or that the knob that you unlock it with is pointing upwards. And now it's finished. We have all the axes balanced. So now we just have to turn it on and also show you guys the vortex mode, that it actually does the rotation fully. So now it's turned on and go into vortex mode. And we have here, yes, the full rotation. So as you can see, this is quite fast to balance, or at least I can balance it so fast. But now you guys know how much time you need to actually balance the Zhiyun Crane M2. Hope you guys found this a very useful video. If you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. And also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.